Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can take pictures with hand gesture in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, first thing first, let's just open up our camera application. And after we have our camera application opened, we can go to the camera setting. Just click on the settings icon on the top left. And here we can scroll down until we find the shooting methods. And if we want to take selfie with hand gestures, we have to activate this show palm feature. So we just need to click on the circle button to activate this feature. And now the show palm feature has been activated. And if we want to take a selfie, we just need to show our palms. And I'm going to demonstrate it to you. We have to show our palms like this. Okay, and now it's done, and I'm going to take a look at the result. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can take a selfie with hand gestures in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.